In case it wasn't obvious enough, entertainment experts have laid down that Amber Heard's career in Hollywood is over. The actress is unlikely to score any further big-time roles, regardless of the outcome of the trial. So which entertainment expert made this claim? How valid is it? Watch the video to find out. The Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard defamation trial resumed on Monday, May 23rd, with entertainment expert Catherine Arnold testifying as Heard's final witness for the day.
We're going to be testifying to Amber Heard's damages, correct? Yes.
Arnold expressed her thoughts on the impact of the defamation case on Heard's professional life, claiming that if she hadn't been embroiled in a highly publicized legal battle with Depp, her career could have flourished like Zendaya and other contemporary stars. The expert also discussed Johnny Depp's downturn after his defamation lawsuit, claiming that the actor's allegations about Heard faking her domestic abuse cost her $45 million to $50 million in work. Johnny Depp sued Amber Heard for $50 million after she called herself a domestic violence survivor in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed. Despite the fact that his name was not mentioned in the story, his team claimed that the article harmed Depp's public image and harmed his career. Amber Heard countersued Depp for $100 million, claiming that he abused her on numerous occasions during their relationship. The long-awaited defamation trial began in Fairfax County Court on April 11th. Who exactly is Catherine Arnold? Catherine Arnold is an entertainment expert, award-winning film producer, and media executive with over 20 years of industry experience. Her official bio states that she specializes in film development, financing, production, distribution, and international sales.
The landscape has changed dramatically from how we used to make films and how we're making them now.
Arnold has a diverse background in the studio and independent film industries, as well as corporate sponsorship and fundraising. She's gained extensive knowledge through her work with numerous Hollywood actors, crew, financiers, studios, and entertainment lawyers. The entertainment expert has lived in France, Italy, and Mexico, and holds a bachelor degree in economics from UCLA. Arnold began her career as an executive at the Maltese companies and later worked on Wall Street Finance TV and feature film projects. She was said to have overseen the production of Pound Puppies, The Legend of Big Paw, and worked as an associate producer on Manhunt Live, The Search for the Green River Serial Murderer. Arnold also worked at Greer Peters Entertainment, where he helped to develop the company's feature films. In addition, he worked as an associate producer on Pizza Man and The Weber's 15 Minutes. After collaborating with Louis Van Osta and launching his directorial career with the acclaimed short film The Coriolis Effect, Arnold's career took a significant turn. Catherine Arnold later produced films such as Nevada, Facade, The Velocity of Gary, and Cowboys and Angels. She was also instrumental in establishing Cineville International's foreign sales division in Cannes in 1997, where she was in charge of foreign sales, acquisitions, financing, and packaging and production. How does Johnny Depp's lawyer know more about movies and roles than an entertainment industry consultant, Catherine Arnold? It's an intriguing choice for expert testimony. Arnold co-wrote and directed the documentary film Shining Stars, the official story of Earth, Wind, and Fire in 2000. The expert was then hired as the head of the production at Monte Cristo Entertainment, where he oversaw the packaging and development of the company's English and foreign language films. Arnold also worked in the corporate relations department of the Los Angeles Olympic Committee. She later went on to work for Internet Studios and Infinity Inc., where she began serving as a consultant and expert witness on entertainment industry-related cases, utilizing her industry experience for ancillary services. Arnold provided expert testimony, reporting, consultation, financial forecasting, and referrals to her clients who suffered economic damage and wage loss prior to her most recent testimony in the Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard defamation case. An examination of Catherine Arnold's testimony in the Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard trial. On Monday, Catherine Arnold, an entertainment expert, testified in the Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard trial. According to her lawyer, Elaine Bredhoft, Aquaman could have been Heard's A Star is Born moment, but negative publicity hurt her career. It was that moment when she was not only a good actor, but she was also world-renowned because she had starred in the most successful film for DC Comics. So it was just this extraordinary time for her career to take off. Every time she appears anywhere, she continued, the social media negativity campaign begins again. Arnold testifies that Heard struggled to find work after the litigation. Following that, Arnold testifies that there were doubts about whether Heard would be cast in the sequel to Aquaman. According to Arnold, Amber Heard was barred from major press events and promotional material for Aquaman, and L'Oreal stopped working with her because of her ongoing legal issues. As a result, she claims the actress no longer receives press requests. According to the entertainment expert, Heard lost between 45 and 50 million after Depp and his team accused her of fabricating an abuse hoax and fabricating her domestic violence claims against the Pirates of the Caribbean actor. Instead of having negotiating power, Arnold stated that Amber Heard stopped working and begged not to be cut from Aquaman 2. She claimed Heard's career could have soared like that of Gal Gadot, Ana de Armas, and Zendaya if she hadn't gotten involved in the legal dispute with Depp. Arnold gives testimony that Heard was told not to attend Aquaman promotional events. Arnold, it means no one knows about her and she doesn't play the same role in the film. It's not going to get her into the next film. The executive claimed that if Heard had not been involved in the defamation lawsuit, she would have received at least 4 other endorsement deals worth $8 million, earned $20 million from various film projects, and earned millions more from TV projects. Arnold also stated that Heard's Aquaman co-star Jason Momoa and director James Wan were adamant about keeping the actress in the franchise and assisted her in keeping her role in the sequel. The expert also stated that Heard earned $200,000 per episode of The Stand and that the fee was likely to rise as a result of Aquaman's success. However, her LA-style cover for The Stand was allegedly removed due to the Depp-Waldman abuse hoax allegations. Arnold claims that she compared Heard's career to that of other actors such as Jason Momoa, Zendaya, and Ana de Armas. Arnold, her career should have started around the same time. It would have been reasonable to expect her career to be on an upward trajectory. However, Depp's team questioned Arnold's comparison of Amber Heard's career to that of prominent stars such as Gal Gadot, Zendaya, and Momoa. She's never played the lead in a film. She hadn't appeared on television in years. To accept your damage analysis, the jury must agree with you that Heard was on the verge of a meteoric rise. Arnold discussed Amber Heard's career as well as Johnny Depp's career downturn. She stated that the lawsuit, as well as his alleged controversial personal behavior, had an impact on his career.
We've talked about the erratic behavior, the tardiness, the drugs and alcohol abuse, and the lawsuits have had a really big impact.
Not just this lawsuit, but previous lawsuits that Mr. Depp had been involved with because anything he does generates a lot of publicity. She claimed that every time Depp filed a lawsuit, it brought to light several issues, including erratic behavior or domestic abuse or drugs and alcohol, and even spending habits. So every time a lawsuit is filed, the press and publicity are charged up and everything is brought back to light. Catherine Arnold also claimed that Amber Heard's op-ed in the Washington Post had no bearing on Depp's role in the 6th Pirates film. Mr. Depp claims he lost money on Pirates 6, but Pirates 6 hasn't even been released.
The movie doesn't exist yet, so that's one.
So I'm not sure how you can lose something that never happened. She claimed that the franchise suffered as a result of Depp's series of bombs at the box office prior to Pirates 5. So there we have two sides of the same coin. Both Heard and Depp have taken huge blows to their career thanks to their disastrous marriage. Catherine Arnold's analysis might have a few holes, but nonetheless, it is indeed true that both actors lost a lot of roles. Depp may have undergone more damage compared to his ex-wife. We can only hope the actors get to move on and Depp will redeem himself and reprise our favorite childhood characters. And now we would like to hear your thoughts on this issue. Do you think Amber will land a big role after this trial? What do you think will happen to Princess Mira? Let us know all your thoughts in the comment section down below. And as always, stay subscribed to catch the latest updates on the trial.